Take 15.
Hello, my name is Murat. Today I'm gonna teach...
Mariam is crying. Mahosh is crying too.
Mahosh? Mahosh?
Dad, can I talk to the camera? Hi guys, my name is Dimas and today I'm going to talk about my parents' project. It's a short film called I'm Going to Paris.
Dimash? Open the door, Dimash. Open up.
He's my dad. His name is Murat Yeszhan. He's graduating from screenwriting school to the Academy of Art University in San Francisco. And this year, his feature film script, Escape from Freedom, made it to the semifinals of Scriptapalooza, the screenwriting competition, which had 3,500 entries. After that, he wrote this short film, I'm Going to Paris. You know what? He writes his script in the car. Because I have a little brother and sister. They make a lot of noise at home. Actually, I do too.
Dimash, open up. I have to work.
Mom, give me a minute. She's my mom, Aisalia Abedeva. She's also graduating from the Academy of Art University. Her major is producing. She produces films, videos, makes schedules for them. She also makes schedules for our eating time, school time, bedtime. She schedules and produces a lot of things. What else can I say? Oh yeah! What is the script about? It's about happiness. Real happiness and virtual happiness. For example, some people want to look happy. They always want to show and put on internet the things they have, even the things they don't have. So the story talks about the theme to look happy versus to be happy.
Dimash, don't spoil.
Okay guys, before I go, I'd like to tell you this. Originally, we're from Kazakhstan, and we've been in the USA for 3 years, and I miss my country, my grandma, my grandpa, so much.
Димаш сағынып кеттік қой сендерді, қашан келесіңдер?
Мен де сағынып кеттім, бірақ анам мен әкем фильмі түсіріп болғанда келеміз.
Олар қай кезде түсіріп болады?
They can't finish in the project unless they find money. I and my brother have some savings, but I think that's not enough. They need some little more. They'll spend the money for locations, for equipment, for food, for the cast and crew, and for transportation. One more thing. Don't think only my mom and dad are making this film. A 3-time Oscar-winning producer, Janice Memo, is mentoring it. Yeah, it's true. I saw her Oscars. And very talented DP Ivan Velasquez will photograph the film.
Dimash, that's enough. Now open the door.
Okay. Dad, I said everything. And I said I'm gonna give you all my savings.
You said everything?
Look!
Thank you. But I am afraid it won't be enough.
Of course, I know. Say it to the camera.
My dear friends, if you want to be a part of our journey, if you want to support this young filmmaker's family, if you want these little kids to see their grandparents soon, please join us and help this project to come to life.